Hey everyone, what's up? And I can't really find Blizz, so we're not gonna do it. So, but I think that we could do it on the next video. Maybe, just maybe, because he just likes to hide a lot. He only comes in sometimes. It's weird. Hey, my fire alarm. Fire alarm. Up there. My head. It's on my head. Oh my gosh, it feels like it's actually on my head. But that fire alarm has battery. But, well, I don't really know what to say. I can't find him, okay? It's not my fault. He just wanders off, okay? You might not be asking. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I don't know where he is. I'm sad. Okay, that's weird. It was turning red. What's that? Oh my gosh, my eyes are tearing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm sorry, guys. We can't find Blizzard. We can't find Blizzard. I'm gonna do this the whole episode. Okay. Wait, guys, I want to show you something. I got a silver tooth. My first one. I think I own others. I'm just gonna use this as a mirror. Even though I have a mirror here. Well, oh my gosh, my eyes are tearing. Well, I will love you guys, and wait, I almost forgot. Subscribe, or give it a like, if you like it. But if you don't really like it, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. You could just, well, yeah, it's alright. You could just give it a thumb down if you don't really like it. Don't be sad. It's alright. But make sure to subscribe if you don't. I'll lie to you. I'm kidding. I don't know where your house is. So, bye.